Imagine walking into your classroom and knowing that your independent work time is already running smoothly. Your students are engaged, the routines are clear, and you have 5 quiet minutes to teach, to prep, or just to take a breath. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the exact resources that can make this possible, resources that you can download and use today. The TaskBox Club is for special educators, support staff, and families supporting students who need structure, repetition, and real progress. Whether you're brand new or completely overwhelmed, this teacher membership is designed to meet you exactly where you are. What's inside the club? You'll get instant access to a massive searchable library of ready to print tasks. Need to target sequencing, social skills, or counting? Just search, download, and you're ready. You're going to find printable resources for every learning area, from functional academics and life skills to behavior supports and visual routines. Each resource is low prep, reusable, and designed to build real student independence. No fluff, no filler, just what works. This isn't just a download library. This is a full independent work system designed to help you set up a routine that's going to run itself. You're going to get short training videos to walk you through setup, a monthly live call to support you. Plus, there's a built-in community ready to cheer you on and share real classroom wins. It is everything you need to build an independent work system without the stress. You do not need to prep for hours or figure it out all on your own. You just need a system that's going to work. And that's exactly what the TaskBox Dollar Club is going to give you. So join today and get your first TaskBox downloaded and ready to go in minutes. And check back often as new tasks are added every week. Your students can work independently and you deserve your time back.